Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Cori. Welcome if you are new. If you are not new, hey. I've already said that. Anyways, in today's video, we are going to be doing a power hour master bathroom clean. And you guys, this video is a video where I am struggling with my multiple sclerosis. I do not get everything done. However, I wanted to show you guys what I did get done. If you have anything that you need to tackle, please put me on your TV, your phone, or tablet, and let's do it together. I am pushing with you and motivating you guys all the way through this video. Also, make sure you stick around to the end. That way I can let you guys know what is coming up next week on my channel. I am so proud of the videos I have coming next week. I want to be able to tell you guys all about them. So wait around to the end. The videos previous to this was my master bedroom clean with me, and that was a collaboration with my beautiful friend Laura. And before that video was cleaning out my kitchen cabinets, some upper and lower and some drawers. Catch those videos in the cards. I will leave them in the cards and down below in the description box, as well as some playlists. Okay, so I wanted to catch you guys up. I cleaned my mirrors with vinegar and water on a wet washcloth and then wiped it down with a dry washcloth. And then I cleaned all other surfaces except for the glass and my shower with equal parts Pine Sol and water. So, equal parts Pine Sol and water and vinegar to clean this bathroom, with the exception of my floor. As you can see, underneath the cabinets in my bathroom are totally heinous, so I will be getting to those in a future video. So if you have any tips or tricks, please put them in the comments down below. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my left arm really is on the struggle bus today. With my multiple sclerosis, the left side of my body suffers the most. And so I tried and I tried and I tried. I pushed through. I got everything done with the exception of the inside of my shower. So my husband saw I was struggling, so he took over and got the inside of my shower done. However, I did not film it because he does not love being on camera. And I did show you the before and after, so hopefully you will notice and you will be able to tell that it is officially done. However, I was not the one who did it because I overexerted myself in the middle of my MS. Okay, ladies and gents, if you have made it this far, please leave me an emoji that has to do with the bathroom. I don't care what it is. It could be a poop emoji. It could be a bathtub emoji, whatever emoji you can find that has to do with the bathroom. Put it down below. That way I know that you have made it this far into my video. It is so appreciated that you guys have watched this far, and I love seeing those emojis down below. That way I know you're watching, and that way I can give you some extra love in the comments. Here it is, everybody's favorite thing to watch people clean is their bathroom. No, that was not poop in the toilet. It was just a shadow, I swear. Clean water, partially clean toilet. Okay, anyways, you guys can see that I needed to get down and scrub and scrub and scrub. So I did, and the bathroom is the worst. Toilets are gross, but somebody's got to do it. I also don't want to forget to let you guys know that I did use the Swiffer Wet Jet mop on my floors. For those of you who have watched this video all the way through, you will know I have a super exciting closet clean, declutter, and organize video coming up. It is in 2 parts. The first part you will see me take everything out of my closet and organize it. And the second part will be me putting everything back into the closet and organizing it exactly how I should have done months and months and months ago. So please stay tuned for that. And I cannot wait to see you guys all in the comments below. Alrighty, it is done, and this is the end. So thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoy cleaning videos, how-to videos, along with much needed motivation and inspiration, I would love it if you would subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for lots more videos and so much love. Bye guys. Have a beautiful, beautiful weekend.